भारताने 1971 साली भारत पाकिस्तान युद्धात विजय साध्य करून 50 वर्षे पूर्ण झाल्याने गुरुवारी शहरातील मराठा लाईट इन्फंट्री आवरणात विजय दिवस साजरा करण्यात आला। या कार्यक्रमाला मुख्यमंत्री बसवराज बोम्माई यांचा सहभाग लाभला आहे। विजय दिवसानिमित्त 1971 मधील इंडो पाक युद्धात हुतात्मा झालेल्या वीर योद्ध्यांना गौरव श्रद्धांजली वाहण्यात आली। तसेच अलीकडे हेलिकॉप्टर दुर्घटनेत मृत्यू पावलेले CDS बिपिन रावत आणि त्यांच्या सोबत असलेल्या 12 जणांना श्रद्धांजली वाहण्यात आली। या संदर्भावेळी मुख्यमंत्री बसवराज बोम्माई म्हणाले की भारत पाक युद्धाने भारताला इतिहासात स्थान मिळवून दिले आहे। देशाला बळकट करण्यासाठी हे युद्ध एक प्रेरणा झाली आहे। आपण कोणत्याही क्षेत्रात असो भारताची सेवा करणे हे आपले कर्तव्य असल्याचे त्यांनी म्हटले।
अब मैं आदरणीय श्री पी रविकुमार चीफ सेक्रेटरी से निवेदन करता हूं कि कृपया युद्ध स्मारक पर माल
It has got a great role in internal security. Also, it has got a very big role in technological development of the country. Army makes us proud because every time they were challenged across the border, be it a western border or a north border or a east border, the challenge has been met very squarely and have defeated the enemies convincingly. Especially the Indo-Pak War of 1971 was a testimony for the strength, the intelligence, the valor, as well as the coordination between the three forces. The Air Force was taken by surprise in the midnight. But however, that surprise didn't last long. Within a question of few hours, our army started retaliating, joined by Navy and Air Force. And the war went on for 13 days. More than 3,863 men laid their life. More than 9,000 people were injured. But more than 90,000 Pakistani army men surrendered. We won the war, both on Western Front as well as Eastern Front. It was an excellent war management, and during 1971, the whole world started looking us for the military power what we have. From that day, we have not looked back. This very Maratha regiment has played a very important role in 1971 war. Men laid down their lives. They fought very bravely, vigorously, valorly. I recognize, I respect, I pay my respects to all the men who have fought the war, and especially the men who have led their supreme sacrifice.
यावेळी आमदार अनिल बेनके, रजनीश गोयल, MLIRC कमांडंट ब्रिगेडियर रोहित चौधरी, वरिष्ठ सेनाधिकारी, निवृत्त योद्धा सह शेकडो नागरिक विजय दिवस कार्यक्रमात सहभागी होते. राजशेखर हिरेमठ, KNNCT न्यूज, बेळगाव.